Sans respect pour moi. Sans respect. Et nous, même, je suis tête, moi. Papa, fais ça sortir dans la roche. Sans foutre là.
Toutes bagages sont Jeff. On a parlé Jeff. Jeff.
Oui, mais on joue bien vrai. Ou dans le monde, on va nous dire quoi? Gros discussion faite, même avant.
But Jeff is not the problem. I'm not with Jeff. Me and Jeff are friends.
Le problème, c'est parce que pendant que j'ai problème avant, nos discussions avant, on monte New York à ici. Voilà, en fait.
Non, parce que ou t'as accusé, le mal non comme on dit, t'appelles, pas t'appelles. C'est où t'as accusé. Ou t'es là, l'aime d'après qu'on avec là?
Parce que faut sortir avec. Boucher comme une balle là.
Wow.
Vous respectez?
Yo, qu'est-ce que tu? Qu'est-ce qui était là? Qu'est-ce qui était où ça? Non, mais qu'est-ce que tu vas ça?
N'importe la faute qui réfléchit sur le respect pour moi. Sur le respect pour Shabba.
Okay, but let me tell you something. If it's not Jeff, it's gonna be. Let me tell you something. If it's not Jeff, it's gonna be somebody else. Yeah, but if it's not Jeff, it's gonna be somebody else. But this, I know you. It's been 14 years. I don't respect you still. Like you didn't used to fuck on me. You act like you a saint. You act like you innocent. You're not innocent. Are you innocent? Okay. But I wasn't with you when I was with Jeff. We weren't together no more. Yeah, but me and you went together. You was the one going around telling people you left me. Look how Saturday Mito see me. Mito said, oh, Shabba said he was done with you. Shabba said he was finished with you. But you was telling people you were done. Okay, but if I was with Jeff, I wasn't with you. I could have done everything I wanted to do. That's what I was telling you the whole time. Wow. You still don't want to allow that we weren't together. We wasn't sleeping. We wasn't sleeping. For Jeff? So why don't you just leave me alone, Shabba? Why don't you just leave me alone if it's a problem? Who told you I went to New York with Jeff? That's what Who said I went to New York with Jeff? That's what you said. I'm repeating what you said. You said I went to the communion with him. I didn't go to the communion with Jeff. Jeff was already at the communion. Those are your people that was saying that. They don't give a fuck about you. But they don't care about you. They don't care. But they don't care about you. They don't care about you. They don't give a fuck about you.